Hey y'all, and thank you for joining me for dinner tonight. Because tonight I'm making dinner for the family. Honestly, I've never even done this before. I've never made this dish before. And I actually looked it up, and I don't really see anything on YouTube like it. I just thought these flavors would be good together. So I think I'm going to call this, it's going to be a chicken and shrimp sweet Thai chili stir fry. How's that sound? Or sweet, I don't know. We'll go with something. Anyhow, it's going to be good, I think. We're going to have some chicken, some shrimp, some udon noodles, some vegetables, and we're going to have sweet chili sauce all mixed. I'll show you all that in a minute. Anyhow, I hope it turns out good. We're going to find out. If it don't, I'll let you know too. But before we get to showing you how we're going to cook this and how we're going to put all this together and what we're going to cook with, please, if you're new here, consider subscribing. Hit that bell notification and give us a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments down below that you're new also. We'd love to welcome you here to the Crazy Pop in the Crazy Acres and everything we do here. We have a lot of fun. If you have been here, man, thank y'all so much for the support. Seeing it more and more every day, and I'm feeling the love. I really am. If I haven't got to your comments yet, be patient. I get there. I try to answer every comment. I see them all, good and bad. So, yeah, leave us a comment. We'd love to see it. Also, while you're down there, look in the description. There's a recipe playlist. Check out all the great recipes that we've done. If you don't like this one, hey, look down there. May see another one. Can't never tell. So with all that being said, we got to heat this griddle up, and we got to show you some groceries. All right, y'all, let's get this thing fired up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go these 3 burners, leave this one off. Have a little cool zone in case something starts getting a little warmed up, too overcooked, whatever. We can slide it over, keep it warm. But right now, we're going to turn these down to about a medium-low, or low-medium. Either way, that's where they're at. On to the groceries. Of course, got to have chicken and some, well, shrimp and chicken. That's roughly a pound each. I didn't measure it. I didn't weigh it. I just got, that's large shrimp already peeled, deveined, tail off. That is actually chicken thighs. I wanted to go with that. A little more flavor in the thigh. I like using the thigh over the breast a lot of times. We have some mixed vegetables there. Again, I did not measure this. I'm just guessing that's going to be about what we need. Now, I do have a bag of broccoli back here, frozen. We do have 1 bag of the udon stir-fry noodle. I have 1 small onion that I have chopped up. Kind of what I don't know if you call, what kind of chop you call this. That's what you normally see like in a Chinese or Asian restaurant. We have some garlic paste. We have salt and pepper, and we have some Thai sweet chili sauce. Y'all, that's it. I think this is what we're looking for here. So let's get all this thing together. Let's get to making it. Okay, y'all. Griddle is ready. Let's get some groceries on the griddle. Now what we're going to do is the broccoli is frozen, and we want to kind of soften that up. That's going to take the longest. We're going to go ahead and throw that on the griddle and get it a head start. Let's go ahead and just dump it right there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dome this up. Now I'm going to let this cook for just, I don't know, 5 minutes maybe. I don't know. Just kind of soften it up. We'll check it and give it a stir. Now they are frozen. I was reading not spraying no water on it. It's going to kind of steam itself with that frozen, ice that's on there. So let's get that going, and then we'll add some more vegetables and stuff as we go. Broccoli's been on roughly about 5 minutes. Let's take a peek. Oh yeah. Looking good. Starting to soften up. Not where we want it yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dome it back up. Get a little water. Steam it. But now while that's going, go ahead and throw some vegetables on here and these onions. Let's get all the vegetables in here. Some want to stay behind there. There we go. All right. Kind of getting them stirred up good. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I really don't. But I'm really hoping it turns out good. We're just going to kind of spread this out a little bit. Let all them vegetables cook. Let's check our broccoli. Oh yeah, softening up good there. I'll tell you what we're going to do. Let's go go ahead and move it all together now. Mix all this together. Now it's not done like I want it yet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and just move it over here to cook some more. Just want to kind of soften them onions up just a little bit. Soften that broccoli up just a little bit more. Okay, got our vegetables going. Still on about a medium low-ish heat. We got to get some shrimp and some chicken on here. Let's get that done. All right, let's throw down some oil, some oil. Oh, well, you know, what's funny is I've been hearing different things, like the griddle guys. They've been trying to say oil. You know, like us southern people, oil. I can't say oil. It don't sound right to me. Chicken on there. Get it to going. It won't take this chicken long at all. Get the shrimp on here. Will not take this shrimp long at all either, y'all. So what we're gonna do with it, a little pepper on all of it. A little salt. I'm gonna squeeze in a little bit of garlic paste into this stuff, y'all. Like so. We'll come in here and give it a good mix. I say this shrimp and this chicken will not take long at all. Give all this a good mix, get all flavors put together here. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy, this is gonna be some good eating right here. Get that chicken back over there. What you doing? Whew! The smell coming off this griddle with that garlic now is amazing. Love it. Get our chicken all stirred up over here now. It's starting to cook good. Get all our flavors married together there. Now this shrimp, roughly 2 minutes on each side. Chicken, maybe a little bit longer. We'll just keep on mixing it up. So where we're at now, we got the vegetables going. We got the chicken going. We got the shrimp going. Won't be long now. Now while that chicken and that shrimp is starting to cook, let's mix our vegetables back up. Go in here and just kind of stir them around a little bit. Oh yeah, they getting there, they getting there. I'm just starting to soften up just a little bit. Give our chicken a good stir again. Look at that, it's starting to get done now. When chicken's cut up like this, it does not take long at all. All right, let's come in here and stir our shrimp up, y'all. Now you can sit there and flip each individual one if you want to. I don't normally do that, but you can. You just don't want to overcook it, that's all. And it's cooking real slow. That's what we're looking for. Give our vegetables a good stir back here. Starting to look good, y'all. Starting to come together. It's ready. We slide everything over, put the noodles on here, let's just put it all together. Let's slide all our shrimp over, y'all. All our chicken. All our vegetables. Slide it all over here to one side of the griddle, the cooler side of the griddle, the one we left off, remember? Come in here. Let's get some of this up. All right, y'all, let's get some noodles on here. Y'all, that's the fun thing about never cooking something before the first time. I had to go get another pack of noodles real quick, because I don't think there's gonna be enough noodles right here. Let's get some more on there, y'all. Some more udon noodles. Okay, y'all, got 2 packs. Well, actually, there's 2 packs in each package of noodles, so I guess you say 4 packs, or I don't know. Anyhow, 2 of those big packs. Let's get it stirred up, broke up, chopped up, something up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn these burners down to low. So now everything's on low. Finish getting these noodles all broke up, heated up. Let's add our stuff in here. I'm gonna add everything in. I don't know if it's gonna be too much, not enough. I have no clue. I don't know. It's a lot, I know that. All right, y'all. We gotta add the chili sauce to it, so let's spread it out just a little bit. There again, never done this, don't know how much to add, so wish I could tell you amounts. I don't know, just season it to your flavor. Wish I could tell you amounts. The best thing I can do is just tell you to season it like you like it. So let's see here. Let's just pour some in here, y'all. Just about the whole bottle. We'll probably end up using the whole bottle. Ooh, now that smells good. That smells really, really good. All right, y'all. Supper's ready. We'll kill the heat, give you a close-up of this, plate it up, and try some out. Y'all, look at that beautiful mess we done did made. Now that is beautiful. You really need to be able to smell this. That sweet chili smells amazing. There you go. What y'all think about that? That stuff looks good, don't it? I can't wait to try this out. So we got to get this thing plated up. So let's do that. Hope our plate's big enough. There's a lot of food. And it is plated up. What y'all think about that? Man, there's gonna be some good eating right here. Y'all check it out. Food's ready. You're ready, ain't you? Yes, sir. This was very simple. Before we dig in, gotta explain a few things. There's a lot of different ingredients you can add to this. I didn't have any green onions to kind of garnish it with, or sesame seeds. If you want to add that in, that's fine. Here's the thing about these Asian dishes. This is just how I'm making mine. Now, me personally, I wanted some bell peppers in here. Some of my family don't like bell peppers, so I left it out. So you can add, take away, mix. You can change it all kinds of ways. And I would love to know how you do that, wouldn't you? Yeah, he would too. Anyhow, so let me know in the comments below how you change this up, what you'd add, what you take away, and what you might do different. I mean, because I've never made this. This is my very first time even using sweet chili sauce. So we're gonna try it out. You ready to try it? Yeah. Got some plates here. Some tongs, tong. Get him some, now he's a noodle freak, ain't you, man? Yeah, he likes noodles. All right, there's your plate. And let me know if it's any good. I'm gonna dig me in some right here. Get me a fork. Let's try this out, y'all. Here's to you. Cheers. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. This is good. I don't know if I made it right, if I made it wrong. I like it. I got another bite. Them onions are done perfectly. Just a little crunch. Excuse me while I talk with my mouth full. It's so good. What you think? Is it good? Just he's still eating. That's all it's just good. Okay. He's supposed to say, yeah, buddy. Wasn't you? So I tell you what. Try this out. Let us say, he's still eating. Look, it must be good. I got to finish this up, feed the whole crazy crew because they're hungry. They're behind the scenes at about a fire pit. And hey, subscribe if you ain't subscribed. If you are, thank you. And we'll see you next time.